Hi, Milan from Milan's Motorcycles. We're gonna look on some cool stuff again today. We have what's called lever gear shifter. That's how they call it in many of the parts books. And you would say, "Hey, what's that thing? What does it fit? And why there's different colors and different conditions?" I have. Well, the first one what I want to talk about is this one. It's a new old stock. It was built for the military. The part number was 2204-37N. Now, why they put N-37 was that they started using this part actually in 1937. It was used between 37 to 47 on the Knuckleheads, not the Army style, but let's just say this one or this one. All of them will actually fit. The finish was different, but Knucklehead 37 to 47, 37 to 48 was also 74 on 80 cubic inch big inch flatheads, 48 to 65 pound head, 37 to 52 45 solo models, which means W, WL, WLC, WLA, WR maybe, And then also, believe it or not, was used on the Servicar, but only left side hand shift, okay? Because some of them had a hand shift on the right side, was a different story, but for the left side, these ones will fit. Now, the new part number, what they assigned to this in 1951 was 33675-37. Now, I told you what they fit. Now, the original one for the Army, WLA, WLC, 2204-37N, it was painted, as you can see, there's the original paint, olive drab. Now, olive drab paint had different shades. I mean, there was a Army specification, but different manufacturers of paint in the war effort were mixing it. It was not the same. You can get two identical original, and you will see the shades are different. Also, this poor thing was stored for the last 70 years. It survived. It's sold, it's ripping my heart out, but it's going to help somebody to finish their motorcycle. If you ever need any parts or for your motorcycles, we specialize in 1942 drive shaft, Harley Davidson XA. We make parts, we sell parts, but we also have some 45 and a little bit of leftovers of big inch, but not so much no more. Well, I thank you for watching us, and you can connect with us on Instagram, Facebook, of course, and you can email us at info@milansmotorcycles.com.